Hellen Muthoni, host wa RURUMUKA show INOORO TV every Sunday, has just made a huge and shocking announcement ĩrĩa a Kenya na mafans na mashabiki ona nginya eroreri ao mena kĩmako na aingĩ makĩmũthaitha matigakorwo arĩma aingĩ magĩkiumbũra they will surely miss her but wishing her all the best in her next adventure. Na Hellen Muthoni has taken to her official Facebook page kũrĩa akorwo akiuga she is very much happy and delighted to be hosting her very last show ya RURUMUKA. Today will be her very last time on RURUMUKA INOORO TV. Na Hellen Muthoni's message niyo eno akiuga good morning, I'm much delighted to be hosting RURUMUKA for the very last time. Ndũmĩrĩri Yatiga mafans makiarĩrĩria ũndũ ũyũ mũno na aingĩ of course makionania kĩmako kĩao nĩ ndeto matarerĩgĩrĩire na gũkorwo atĩ today is the last time they'll be seeing Hellen Muthoni on RURUMUKA INOORO TV. Nĩ ũndũ wa tiga aingĩ mena ihoru no maikĩendithĩria Hellen Muthoni all the best. Na Hellen Muthoni ndanakorwo akiuga goodbye Asha, she has just shared this message na mafans maikiuga tokorwo a goodbye message will come after the show today todo she has shared this before the show started na koguo they are expecting a goodbye message, a farewell message from Hellen Muthoni. No nĩ makorwo makĩingĩra nenda-inĩ yake makĩmwendithĩria all the best na magĩkiumbũra they loved her on the show na it has been a wonderful years having her on the show kuma rĩrĩa akorirwo replace Grace Mwai. If you recall, no akorirwo replace Grace Mwai na nĩ akoretwo agĩtwarithia show ĩyo wega mũno na mafans makĩmwendithĩria all the best. Cecilia Ndungu ewa mbere akiuga what last time I will miss you so much my role model. Onake Vivian Wanjohi akawa good morning to Hellen and you are very beautiful. Feliciana akiuga may the good Lord enlarge your territories and we enjoyed your presence for the last 8 years, we love you so much. Nake Vanessa akoria I am so aje sasa and the way we love your show but anyway all the best and blessings to your next step. Nake Cecile akoria unaenda wapi tukufuate. Eunice Kamande kai wewe and the way I love you always, you always make my Sunday. Onake Moses Kariuki akauga all the best in your future na onaitho tukiendithĩria Hellen Muthoni all the best. She has been a great show at RURUMUKA na we wish her all the best in her next adventure. Kwaheri kuri Hellen Muthoni na ndũgakĩriganĩrwo gũsubscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.